It snowed yesterday, and it is literally deep here. So we are out and we are having fun, and well, Brandy's having a ball. And as you can tell, she's not a puppy anymore from last year. She's just over a year old. Soon to be the gotcha day. So anyway, we're out in the snow right now. So here's a look at Brandy. Brandy, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go back. You want to try to go back? You're my little rabbit. Found an open spot. Come on, have a run. Or can you run? You can't run. It's up past your hips. It's cold out this morning, Brandy. Beat down the snow. Come on, let's run the wall. Let's run the wall. That's the rock wall. Hey, come here. Come on. There you go. You think you're on Cody's rock wall now? Huh? You think you're on Cody's rock wall. That's what it is. Oh, your beard. What are you doing? You're not an ostrich. Well, apparently she thinks she's something. Brandy, you're silly. You are so silly. So silly.